Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. To change font style, first you have to go to the settings here and go to display, then go to font size and style and click on font style, and here you can choose from the available three options. Next option Samsung 1, then next one Gothic fold, Gothic bold. Yes, font style has been changed to what I have selected. If you want to use some downloaded fonts from internet, click on download fonts here, and here it will list some of the font style available in internet, but they are not free. They are not completely free. These are the top font style that have been used by Samsung users. If you want to use some top paid only, then click on top paid, and here if you choose any one, you have to pay some money for downloading this font style. If you want to use only free font style, then you have to choose top free, and only two fonts are available to download for free. Just click any one and you can download it. Click on install and it will be downloaded. Waiting for download. It's installing. Click on apply. Yes, it is applied now. Go to the save settings and click on display. Then click on font size and style. Click on font style. Yes, it is applied. Samsung Sans. Okay. You can also use the top paid for some particular period. That is a trial period you can use. For that, you go to sign in with your Samsung or email account. Then only you can use a preview. Then later you can decide to buy it. If you want to go back to default font style, then go to the same settings and click on display. Then click on font size and style. Then click on font style and click on default, and default font style will be applied now. See the changes. In this way, you can easily do changing of font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.